Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn Standard 8 Mathematics. In the previous video, we have learned Practice Set 3.2. Today we are going to learn Practice Set 3.3 of third lesson, Indices and Cube Root. Let's learn, children, definition of cube. If a number is written 3 times and multiplied, then the product is called the cube of that number. It means, children, take any particular number and multiply it 3 times. Whatever the answer you get, that is the cube of that number. So here is one example, children. 2 into 2 into 2, the answer is 8. So 8 is the cube of 2. Here are some points. First one, the cube of a positive number is positive. Example, children, positive 3 into positive 3 into positive 3 equal to, children, positive 27. Second one, the cube of a negative number is negative. Example, children, minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3. The answer will be, children, minus 27. This is, children, symbol of cube root. Now, let's begin with practice set 3.3. In this exercise, children, we will learn how to find the cube roots. We know how to find the square root of a number by factorization method. By using the same method, here we will find cube root of a number. Number 1. Here it is given, children, 8000. Unit place, which number is there? 0. It means it is divisible by 2. So take down 2, children. We are using here prime factor method. So 2 4s are 8. So 4 will be down and 3 0 will be as it is. Again unit place 0, it means divisible by 2. So you get 2000. Again unit place 0, it means it is divisible by, children, 2, or you can take, children, 10 also. We are taking here 10. 10 ones are 10 and 2 zeros are remaining, take down. You get 100. Now again take 10. 10 tens are 100. Now 10 ones are 10. Now by saying, children, this prime factor method, we will write down 8000 equal to 2 into 4000. Again 2 into 2 into 2000. 2 into 2 into 2 into 1000. Now, children, these 3 2 are there. After that, this 1000 we will split. 10 into 100. Now this 100 further we will split 10 into 10. Now here are there, children, 3 2s are there and 3 10 are there. Among the 3, you take down 1 common. So among the 3, take 1. So 2 into 10, we get, children, 20. Therefore cube root of 8000 equal to 20. Now question number 2, 729. It is a cube of, children, 9. If you multiply 9 into 9 into 9, you get 729. So here we are using, children, prime factor to find the cube root of 729. 9 and 729. 9 8s are, children, 72 and 9 1s are 9. So 81 you got, children. Now again it is divisible by 9. 9 9s are 81. Now at the last 9 1s are 9. Therefore 729 equal to 9 into 81 equal to 9 into 9 into 9. So among the 3, children, we take 1 common because we are finding cube root. Therefore cube root of 729 equal to 9. Now question number 3. 343 is the cube of 7. this number is divisible by 7. So here we are using prime factor method. 7 fours are 28 and 6 will remain. 63 means 7 nines are 63. So we got here 49. Now 49 is again divisible by 7. 7 sevens are 49. Now 7 ones are 7. By seeing the prime factor method, children, we will write down 343 equal to 7 into 49. 49 further split into 7 into 7. So here how many 7s are there? 3. So among the 3 we take 1 common. Therefore cube root of 343 equal to 7. Now question number 4. Minus 512. 512 is the cube of 8, children. So this number is divisible by 8. 8 6 are 48. So 3 remains. So 3 and 2 32. 8 4s are 32. So you get 64. Now 64 again divisible by 8. 8 8s are 64. 8 1s are 8. By seeing the prime factor, children, we have to write down minus 512 equal to 8 into 64. 64 further split into 8 into 8. So here how many 8 we got, children? 3. So among the 3 we will take down 1. Cube root of minus 512 equal to minus 8. Now question number 5. Minus 2744. Unit place 4 is there. It means it is divisible by 2. 2 and 2744. When you divide this number, children, by 2, you get 1372. Again, unit place is 2. It means it is divisible by 2. When you divide, children, you get 686. Again, unit place is 6. It means it is divisible by 2. So you get 343. It is a cube of, children, 7. So we have to divide by now 7. You get 49. 49 is again divisible by 7. 7 sevens are. Now 7 ones are 7. To the right hand side, it is given minus 2744 equal to 2 into 1372. One step, children, by seeing the prime factor, we have to write at last, children, cube root of minus 2744 equal to minus 14. Question number 6, do yourself, children. Now, question number 2, simplify. Question number 1. Cube root of 27 upon 125. 27 is the cube of 3 and 125 is the cube of 5. So, children, 3 into 3 into 3. And down 5 into 5 into 5. 3 how many times repeated? 3 times. So 3 raised to 3. And 5 how many times repeated? 3 times. 5 raised to 3. Now children, therefore cube root of 27 upon 125 equal to cube root of 3 raised to 3 upon cube root of 5 raised to cube. Cube root get cancelled. Cube root get cancelled. You get, children, answer 3 upon 5. Therefore, cube root of 27 upon 125 equal to 3 upon 5. Question number 3. If cube root of 729 equal to 9, then cube root of 0.000729. Here children, cube root of this number is given 9 and we have to find out cube root of this number. Now let's see how to find cube root of this number. Solution, write down children here this number. Now equal to, what are the numbers are there? 7 to 9. So cube root of 7 to 9 upon cube root of, here children start from unit place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So take 1 and take down 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now children, cube root of 7 to 9 is given already 9. Now cube root of this number, how to find out? Let's see. Here 20, 20, 20. This pair of zeros, how many times repeating? 3 times. In 100, how many zeros are there children? 2. Means it is a cube of children 100. So here I am taking 100. Now this fraction we have to convert into decimal children. So here how many zeros are there? 1, 2. But here what the digit is there? Only 1. So 9 and 0. 1, 2 no. After that give the decimal. And here nothing is there. So take 0. It means children, cube root of 0.0000729 equal to 0.09. Question number 2. Do yourself.